For question 1, we find the C, and for step 1 we use the x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, so we just write up cx plus y equal to 1. So we write up for x equal to 0 is c0 plus 1 plus c0 plus 2 plus c0 plus 3. So we get all this, we calculate 6c. So next, for x equal to 1, c1 plus 1 c plus c1 plus 2 plus c1 plus 3 equal to 9c. For x2, c x plus 2 plus c2 plus 2 plus c2 plus 3 equal to 12c. So we add, then equal to 1. So 6c plus 9c plus 12c equal to 1. So we get 27c equal to 1. So c equal to 1 over 1 over 27. So we just do the table lah. Next, we move on to the B. So find the marginal distribution x and y. So step 1, we find the marginal of x. So fx0 then equal to 6 over 27. Then fx1 equal to 9 over 27, and fx2 12 over 27. So total of them we just calculate. So we get the 27 over 37 equal to 1. Next, we find marginal of y. So fy1 equal to 6 over 37, fy2 9 over 37, fy3 12 over 37. So we just calculate all of them, then we get 27 over 27 equal to 1. So we move the C, whether x and y are independent. So two variables are independent if fx y equal to fx multiply with fy. So we write f01 equal to 1 over 30. So we get 0.037. So if fx0 multiply with fy1, 6 over 37 multiply with 6 over 37. So we get 36 over 729. So did not equal, x and y are not independent. So next, we move on to the D. Find p less than 3, x equal to 2. So this is conditional probability. So we just write n equal to p, y less than 3, x equal to 3, x equal to 2 over p, x equal to 2. So we get f21 plus f22 plus f22. So 3 over 37, 27 plus 4 over 27 over 12 over 37, and we get 7 over. So next, we move on to the to the E. Compute variance x and variance y, hence find the 4x square plus 6y minus 2. So we just write up the ex, then we get 11 over 9, and we write up the ex square, and we get the answer is 19 over 9. So variance x equal to, we just follow the formula, and we get 19 over 9 minus 11 over 9 square. So the answer is 50 over 98. So for y, we just write up the ey, and then we get the answer is 20 over 9, then ey square. So we get the answer is 50 over 9. So we just write out the formula, and then we get the answer is 50/9081. So we just find the e4x squared plus 6y over 6y minus 2. So we just add up 4ex squared plus 6ey minus 2. So we just follow the 2, and we get the answer is 178/9. Yes.
Okay, so we are going to move on with question 2, whereby this is a joint PDF question. So for A, we need to find the value of K. First step, we need to integrate with respect to X first, like this. Next, we need to integrate with respect to Y, like this. And the last step for question A is to solve the quadratic equation. Since K must be positive based on the limit of a range, so the K is 2. We move on to question B, whereby we need to find the marginal density function of X and Y. In order to find them, the marginal PDF of one variable is found by integrating the joint PDF over the range of the other variable. So, in order to find the marginal PDF of X, we need to do like this. It is the same work. It is a same work step for marginal PDF of Y. We move on to question C, whereby we need to determine whether X and Y are independent. So X and Y are independent if and only if f bracket x y equals to fx times fy. So first step, we need to find the fx times fy, like this. So as we can see, the product will result the answer is in terms like x square y and xy, but the f bracket xy is 1/3 bracket 3x square plus xy. So we can see now it is not the same answer. So since the joint PDF cannot be factored into a function of x times a function of y, x and y are not independent. So for the last question, we need to find the mean and variance of P equals to 6x minus 3y plus 4. In order to find this, first step, we need to find the EX and EY, like this. So the next step, we need to find the mean of P, which is equals to 5. So for the last step, we need to find the variance of P. But before that, we need to find EX square, EY square, and EXY using the PDFs. Since this variance of P required covariance for X and Y. So this is for EX, which is 13/18. For EY, it is 10/9. For EP equals to 5. For EX square, is 17/30. For variant of x is equals to 73/1620. For ey square equals to 14/9. For variance of y equals to 26/81. For covariant of xy is equals to -1/162. And lastly, we need to find the variance of p, which is plug in the values in the formula, and the answer we should get approximately 4.733. That's all from us. Thank you.